Welcome to The Explainer. So if you're building an AI strategy, you're facing one single decision that's going to define pretty much everything. Are you choosing an AI model or an AI platform? Now, they sound alike, but trust me, getting this wrong can be a really costly mistake. Let's break it down.
Okay, let's just dive right in. The AI landscape, you know this, it's crowded with names that sound kind of the same but are fundamentally different things. One minute you're hearing about GPT-4o's latest magic trick, and the next your IT team is talking about deploying on Azure. Your engineers are all excited that Llama 3 is open source, but the data scientists want to use Vertex AI. It's a confusing mess of brands, so let's make it simple.
To make sense of all of this, we're going to use one really powerful analogy for this entire explainer. Just think of the AI model as the engine. It's where all the raw power comes from. But the AI platform? Well, that's the car, the whole vehicle that takes that engine and makes it useful, safe, and actually ready to hit the road. So the big question is, are you just buying an engine, or are you building a car?
First, let's pop the hood and look at the engine, the AI model itself. This is the core piece of tech, right? It's the part that's actually doing the work, generating the text, the images, the code. It's the component that gets all the headlines for its mind-blowing capabilities.
So what exactly is a model? The best way to think about it is as the brain. It's this gigantic algorithm that's been trained on an unbelievable amount of data. We're talking a huge chunk of the internet, just to learn how to spot patterns and, well, how to reason. And that is what lets it create brand new original stuff.
And this quote, it just nails it. The model is the engine. It's the direct result of all that incredibly complex training on these massive data sets. It is the core intellectual property, whether it was built by OpenAI or Meta or Google.
And you know, just like car engines, AI models are definitely not one-size-fits-all. You've got these high-performance closed-source engines like GPT-4o that are just incredible at almost everything. Then you've got these really powerful and flexible open-source engines like Meta's Llama 3. It's got this fantastic balance of power and size, which makes it perfect for customizing. And then you have these hyper-efficient engines like Mistral that are just built for pure speed and keeping costs low.
So, you've got this amazing, powerful engine. That's great. But an engine just sitting on your garage floor, it's not going to get you anywhere, right? To actually go somewhere, you need the rest of the car. And that is the AI platform.
The platform is the whole vehicle. It's the chassis, the dashboard, all the safety features that are built around that engine. And in tech speak, it's the absolutely critical infrastructure that handles security, makes sure the model can scale up to meet demand, and gives you all the tools you need to manage and access its power.
And you can really see the different philosophies of the major car manufacturers here. On one side, you've got Microsoft's Azure OpenAI. You could think of it like a premium, fully integrated car built for enterprise-grade security, with one of OpenAI's engines expertly installed right at the factory. But on the other side, you've got Google's Vertex AI. That's more like a high-tech custom garage. Its Model Garden basically lets you walk in and pick your engine from Google, Meta, Anthropic, whoever, and then gives you all these powerful tools to build the exact car you need.
Okay, so understanding this engine versus car difference isn't just a neat little analogy. It is, and I mean this, the single most critical strategic decision your business is going to make when you adopt generative AI.
Your choice really boils down to answering three huge questions. First, security. Where is your sensitive company data actually going when you use these tools? Who holds the keys? Your platform choice dictates this entirely. Second, customization. Do you need to fine-tune the engine on your own private data to build a unique competitive advantage? Your platform determines how easy, or even if it's possible, to do that. And third, deployment. Are you just looking to call a flexible, pay-as-you-go API, or do you need the total control that comes from hosting a model on your own terms?
So here's the bottom line, the crucial point. While the model gets all the flashy headlines, your choice of platform is often the more important long-term decision. The platform defines your security, your ability to build a competitive moat through customization, and your entire cost structure. Look, you can often swap out the engine later, but changing the entire car, that's a much, much bigger deal.
All right, let's bring this all together. Here's how you move from that messy confusion of brand names to the kind of clarity that lets you build a real strategy.
So here are the key takeaways for your leadership team. Number one, data governance is everything. Just remember, your platform choice is your data security choice, period. Second, be smart about your model selection. Don't just automatically grab the biggest, most powerful engine for every single task. Match the model to the job to save money and get more speed. And finally, always remember the goal. You're not just picking an engine, you're building the right car for your company's unique journey.
So that leaves us with one final question to take back to your team. Are you simply buying access to a powerful engine? Or are you strategically building a car, a complete solution with the right security, the right controls, the right infrastructure to really drive your business forward? Your answer to that is going to define your entire future with AI.